How to add a drop down to your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I'll show you step by step how to achieve this. So what we are trying to do here is go to our default product page, and we want to add some sort of a drop down here. Now it could be whatever type of drop down that you actually want, and we will show you how to actually do that very easily. Now we are going to be using a third-party application, and it is a paid application. It is not for free, but it does offer you quite a lot, and it is pretty cheap. So let's just go ahead and get started and show you how to achieve this. So first, you'll need to just go ahead and go to the apps section at the bottom left and go to all recommended apps and just search for or go to the Shopify App Store first, and then you want to search for text box. And once you search for that, you'll find text box by Textify. So just go ahead and click on that and just install it. Now, to install it, you will have to first fill in your information for the free trial, and then continue to set up. Now, to set things up for that app, it's actually very simple to do. You want to just click on customize here to your theme that you actually applied it to, and then you want to just go to the app embed section to the left here, and you want to click on that, and you will want to search for text box custom app, and you want to enable it like so. Once that's done, you want to just go to your default product page, and then you want to go to sections at the top, and you want to just search for templates and add this block. It shouldn't really be here. You just want to click on add block, and then just go to apps and search for text box, which should be there for you, and then you would want to also drag it up if you would like. I usually just keep it right underneath the buy buttons, and now we are pretty much set. So once this is done, we can just go ahead and click on save, and once that's done, we just exit out of here. Now we want to open up our apps and just open up the text box app, and we want to basically create a field. So now we are pretty much just set, and we just want to set up the drop down. So click on create field, and then you want to click on product options. In here, you would want to just go ahead and give it a name. I'm just going to do test drop down. And then from the fields, you will have a lot of stuff that you can actually add, checkboxes and so much more. I'm just going to obviously add the drop down option. So just click on drop down, and you can also add multiple, but I'm just going to keep it as one. And now that we add anything here, we can just basically go to the design aspects and change all of those things, and also change the targeting for it. So where you actually want to have this drop down menu, whether it's going to be on all products, on all variants, or I mean, not all variants, but some variants on some products, is completely up to you. But anyway, once you actually choose all of those things, I'm just going to click on the edit option on the right panel here. Once you actually see the choose selection option, click on the edit option, and it's just going to open up many different things here for us to change. For example, the drop down heading, which is choose a selection. If you want to change this, you can feel free to do so. And then here you can also select the placeholder text, which is pretty much choose any option. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then here is going to be the name, which is going to show at the top. I'm just going to name it test. And then here we have value 1, which is from the drop down itself, this is a sample value. We can also add more values here as well. So we can add that test 1. We can add check this box and whatever it may be, and you can add as many as possible here, and you can also select a pre-select entry, make this field required, which I'm going to do, and also have more stuff here which I'm not really going to touch on. And once this is done, we can just click on save, and we pretty much are done. We can just click on save again on the top right, and now we can just preview it from our online store, and it should actually be applied to our products. So we can just go to catalog here. Let's just go ahead and open up the test product that I have, and it should actually appear here, the drop down. And if you just click here, you can actually see all the options that we have. Now we can select this one, that one, and so on. So this is pretty much all there is to it. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.